Introducing Manifest, a tool that simplifies interactions with large language models (LLM). Define a function with a name, arguments, return value, and docstring. Manifest calls the LLM for you, returning a response that matches your return type. Installation is easy with pip. Set your OpenAI key and you're ready to go. Examples include sentiment analysis, translation, image analysis, and more. Complex objects and recursive types are also supported. Manifest uses runtime metadata to compose prompts and pass responses. To optimize, name your functions, add type hints, and write informative docstrings. Limitations include no REPL support and specific type restrictions. Initialization is straightforward with ambient LLM credentials. Manifest call an LLM like a function.